that sound? That's the dishwasher. Welcome to the kitchen. And welcome to this. So this is supposed to be Creality CR-10 3D printer. Also the fastest thing that has ever arrived apparently. This arrived on the doorstep while I was 400 kilometers away, 35 hours after paying for it, which never happens. And considering it happened at the busiest time of the year, it's going to be wondering why a parcel takes 3 months to get between Sydney and Adelaide in the middle of May when nothing else is happening. Anyway, I have cut it, but I haven't opened it. This is just a quick video to make sure it isn't just 2 bricks. Because maybe I bought it on eBay, could be a scam, who knows. If it's a scam, it'll save a couple of people a long drive. Well, this phone is looking not very scammy. Oh, the suspense. Bit of phone, revealing pieces of 3D printer, I would presume. Build surface, looks like a lower frame. Sweet. I'd say that's it, it's there. Now to figure out how to actually get the thing out. Cool.